Welcome once more to yet another episode of Cook Speaks. Today, I'll take you to an event, I'll take you to a function where we are honoring one of the legends of the state of Madhya Pradesh in tennis, the first Vikram Award winner, Shri Anil Dupar, the first man ever to become the Secretary General of the All India Tennis Association from Madhya Pradesh. I'll take you to the ITC, the Indore Tennis Club, Indore, for the presentation, for the function. So hope you enjoy. See you at the end of the function.
So once again, good evening everyone. Before I begin, I want to thank all of you present here for this most special occasion. There was no better way to end this year. The happiness wave of Anil sir's achievement is much bigger and stronger than the pandemic that couldn't stop friends from coming together. Mr. Anil Dupar ji, who has always stood by the man on court or off court, he has brought tennis to a different level by creating international standard arena, which created jobs opportunity to many, playing opportunities to many more, and fitness opportunity to numerous. His presence in Delhi speaks about the volume and depth he has shown for developing the sports. Mr. Dupar has directed AIT in many capacities, from Joint Secretary to Chairman of Selection Committees. And now we see him as Secretary General of AITA for at least next 4 years. We feel so much privilege to have him so close to all of us. On all of his achievements today, we have gathered here to acknowledge his and present the Lifetime Achievement Award. I'll request Mr. Manoj Kukreja to please garland Mr. Dupar. Now request Vikram awardee Mr. Anurag Thakur from Gwalior to please come forward and speak few words.
यहाँ पर आए MPTA के सारे मेंबर्स, आज की हसीन शाम के आए सभी गेस्ट, बहुत सारे अजीज़ लोग, मेरे साथ के खेलने वाले हमारे सीनियर्स, जूनियर्स, जिनके साथ जीवन का बहुत महत्वपूर्ण समय बिताया, ऐसे सभी लोगों का यहाँ मैं स्वागत करता हूँ। दुबर साहब, आज इस शाम को आपके लिए जितना कहा जाएगा शायद कम होगा, लेकिन एक बात बड़े गर्व और गौरव के साथ, यकीन और विश्वास के साथ कह सकता हूं कि आप मध्य प्रदेश टेनिस इतिहास की सर्वकालीन सर्वश्रेष्ठ शख्सियत के रूप में हमेशा याद किए जाते रहेंगे और आने वाले 4 सालों में हिंदुस्तान तरक्की करेगा, विश्व में उसके नायक आप होंगे और इस उम्मीद करता हूं कि इसका लाभ मध्य प्रदेश को भी निश्चित तौर पर मिलेगा। मैं आपके भविष्य की, आपके परिवार को शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और अपने सभी खिलाड़ियों की ओर से आपको बधाई देता हूं, धन्यवाद देता हूं। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much. As Anurag quoted, the voice of MP Tennis. Now I'll request Mr. Manoj Kukreja to please come forward, who is from Bhopal, to speak few words for Dupar Sahab.
A very pleasant good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my absolute privilege and honor to speak about a man, a personality who defined motivation, sincerity and dedication in attaining a goal, or rather any goal you set for yourself. आम तौर पे जब भी कोई स्पीच देते हैं, या मैंने जो स्पीच दी है किसी की बढ़ाई के लिए, तो अनुमान उसमें 2 लाइन या 4 लाइन आखिर अंत में बोली जाती है। पर मैं इस व्यक्ति, इस पर्सनालिटी का, जिसका शुभ नाम श्रीमान अनिल दुपर साहब है, इनके लिए शुरुआत में कुछ लाइन पेश करता हूं जो सिर्फ एक चीज को एम्फसाइज करता है, दैट इज सेल्फ बिलीफ एंड डेडिकेशन एंड सिंसियरिटी। शेर ऊंचा है, लेकिन इसका पूरा जो मकसद है दैट इज ओनली सेल्फ बिलीफ। ध्यान से सुनिएगा। ये इल्म शायद नहीं बुतों को कि मेरे सजदों में मौजदा है, ये इल्म शायद नहीं बुतों को कि मेरे सजदे में मौजदा है, मैं जिसके आगे सर झुका दूं कसम खुदा की खुदा बना दूं। ये सेल्फ बिलीव होता है, ये डेडिकेशन होता है. I have known him over 42 years as a player, as an office bearer, and now as an administrator. Let me divide his innings fatafat into 3 parts, and let me start with Anil Dhupad as a player. Well, I am not an authority, but to the best of my ability as a player, and then as a commentator, I would rate Anil as top in Madhya Pradesh so far. The first, please, तालियां तो बजा दो यार. The first Vikram Award winner for tennis in Madhya Pradesh. The second one, fortunately, we have with us is Mr. Anurag Thakur. Anil was a complete player. I have seen him personally from his younger days. Serve, volley, overhead, forehand, backhand, you name it, and he excelled in that. I remember a match in Arara Club where Bhabhi was there, Lalita Dhupadji was there. This was way back in the early 80s when Anil played the top seed Nandan Bal in the All India Hardcourt Tennis Championship, though he lost. But he stretched Nandan Bal till 6-4 in the first set. I'm a witness to that match. Maybe, it's just a speculation, maybe with less of work pressure, Anil would have been somewhere in the national reckoning. His game was so good. Now coming to his innings as an office bearer. His self-belief and commitment won him his epic battle in the MPTA by toppling a committee, according to Anil, I'm again saying according to Anil, who were doing peanuts for tennis in Madhya Pradesh, for the upliftment of game in Madhya Pradesh. He had no support, he had no means, he had no money, but only a dream. And more than the dream, it was a self-belief, of course coupled with his commitment. बात ये नहीं है कि एफर्ट डाला कि नहीं डाला बॉस, बात ये थी कि एफर्ट का मैग्नीट्यूड क्या था. It was not success or failure, it was sheer sincerity in the efforts. He had patience, he waited and stuck at the right time. So it's basically your sincerity, it is basically your dedication, and to strike. Opportunity will never come again. He waited for that opportunity, and when it came, he grabbed it with both the hands. I think it's a lesson many of us could learn from him. मैं एक वाकया आपको फिर अर्ली 80s का बताता हूं, जब अनिल यंग थे, प्लेयर थे. एक डॉक्यूमेंट था, मैं जिस कॉलेज में पढ़ता था, देयर वाज अ डॉक्यूमेंट टू बी साइंड by the tennis club president, which he required. And that tennis club of my college was affiliated to the MP Lawn Tennis Association. We drove in Anil's majestic vehicle. It was a Vespa, two-wheeler, a rarity in those days. And we reached our college. The sports complex was surrounded by hostels. हमारे लिए तो आम बात थी. हॉस्टल्स में स्टूडेंट्स अनरेस्ट था, गोलियां चल रही थी, फायरिंग चल रही थी. अनिल आस्क्ड मी, गाड़ी से उतरा, मुझसे कहने क्या है बॉस. मैंने कहा रूटीन है, नथिंग टू वरी, मैं हूं ना. एनी अदर पर्सनैलिटी वुड हैव रिफ्यूज टू गो फर्दर, बट अनिल वॉक्ड फियरलेसली. होगी बॉस फायरिंग, देखा जाएगा, ये साइन तो कराना ही है. दैट वॉज हिज डेडिकेशन. And that is what is required against all odds, and good enough. Soon Anil became the president of the Madhya Pradesh Tennis Association. Now coming to his role as an administrator. ITC was established on 21st May 1999. ये जो जगह जहां हम आज मिलके बैठे हैं, खुदा जानता है कल को इस जगह पे क्या था. सूखे कांटों की जंगली फसल थी यहां पे. मैं और अनिल 1996-97 के दौरान इस जगह पे आए थे, और मैं सोच के बोल रहा था, अनिल बॉस क्या कर रहे हो, क्या करोगे. एंड इमेजिन विथ नो फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट, नो पॉलिटिकल और ब्यूरोक्रेटिक ब्लेसिंग, ही सिंगल हैंडेडली एस्टैब्लिश्ड, ऑफ कोर्स विद हिज टीम, वो आर ऑल स्टैंडिंग हियर टुडे. ये सपना होता है, ये विजन होता है. मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, ये उसी के डायलॉग बोल रहा हूं, अनिल के डायलॉग बोलता हूं जो हम लोग को बोलता था. मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, आज मेरी मां बीमार है, मैं थक गया हूं. ये सब बहाने हैं. उस स्प्राइट का पुराना एक ऐड याद आता है, सीधी बात, नो बकवास. ही बिलीव्ड इन दैट. और आज देखिए, दी ITC member strength is about 1850. Last 5 years, ITC has been a host to 50 tournaments. Mind you, 50 tournaments, not a joke. That includes the Davis Cup, That includes the ATP Challenger, the ITF Women Men, ITF Juniors, ITA Championship, Talent Series, and the MP State Ranking Tournament. 100 children of various age groups take coaching every day in ITC. 100 children, boys and girls, take coaching in ITC every day. ताली बजा दो साहब, हिंदुस्तान में बहुत कम जगह होगी ये. And see what players ITC has given. We have Raghav Jaisinghani, we have Akash Nandwal, we have Denim Yadav who won the tournament today. We have Neil Garood in the boys. Then of course we have Aishwarya Agarwal, we have Mahek Jain in the girls. एक और इंटरेस्टिंग चीज आपको सुनाता हूं. मध्य प्रदेश was formed on 1st November 1956 and Davis Cup was played for the first time in Madhya Pradesh on 31st January 2014, exactly 57 years and 3 months after Madhya Pradesh was formed. 57 years and 3 months. It took someone more than 57 years to get the World Cup of tennis on the surface of Madhya Pradesh, and that was Mr. Anil Dupar. Of course, I have extremely fond memories of the Davis Cup tie that was held between India and Chinese Taipei, because I made my debut as a Davis Cup commentator for Davis Cup, in which India won 5-0, and that is the same tournament where Sakith Mineni made his debut for Davis Cup in India. I went on to give live telecasts for Davis Cups at Bangalore, New Delhi, Chandigarh, Pune, for the South Asian Games in Guwahati. But I'll tell you to the select audience today here, that the Davis Cup held in Indore ITC, if not best, was amongst the best in India I have seen. And mind you, we commentators go 1 hour before for our complete routine for the day, and we leave 1 hour afterwards. So we are witness to the fine delicacies of the administrative flaws, the positive points and the negative points. I have watched him very closely. I'll really tell you, ITC Davis Cup was one of the best ever held in India. Taaliyan baja do sahab, it was a great tournament. So from a player to office bearer to the administrator and now Secretary General of the All India Tennis Association, Shri Dupar indeed has come a long, long way. His contribution in taking tennis not only across the state of MP, and as rightly Anurag Thakur said, soon it will be spread across the country, will always be remembered. We all hope and give him our best wishes for a long and a healthy life, and that soon we should all be meeting here again, but this time to felicitate him as the President of All India Tennis Association. Thank you, good night, Jai Hind.
I will now request Anurag Thakur to please come forward, and I'll also join him to present Lifetime Achievement Award and a souvenir to Mr. Anil Dupar ji.
The Lifetime Achievement Award to Shri Anil Dupar. With this, I take goodbye. I hope you liked this episode of Cook Speaks. So see you back again very soon.